Hello. As a question to the ChatGPT that what you can do for a research student. So what he replies, listen.
Hello, I'm happy to help. As a PhD research student, you may have a variety of questions related to your research, academic writing, time management, and more. Here are some ways I can assist you. Research assistance. I can help you with your literature review, finding relevant sources for your research, and understanding different research methodologies. Writing support. I can help you with academic writing, including structuring your thesis or dissertation, improving your writing style, and editing your work. Time management. I can offer tips and strategies to manage your time effectively, balance your research with other commitments, and avoid burnout. General guidance. I can provide guidance on different aspects of your PhD journey, such as navigating the academic system, dealing with setbacks, and setting goals. Feel free to ask me any questions you have, and I'll do my